So now let's see how we can modify share type and manage share settings inside of Google Sheets. So over here you can see that I have a Google Sheet and I've already shared this out with other person. And to manage out the share settings, you can go around onto the top right and you can see share is an option right here. So once I click here, then what happens is that the dialog box opens up. So over here on the top, you can see that there's this little icon which denotes that the other person is actually viewing the document as well. So I've shared this to the other person as a commenter, and if I want to change out the privilege, then I can click over here and then I can go around and then change that person into a viewer over here. And if I were to click save, then the other person will only be able to view the file and won't be able to comment it out. If I want to change the permission again, I can go around into share right here. And instead of viewer, I can say editor and I can click on save. And what happens is that the other person now will be able to make changes to the content as well. So similarly, I can go around and remove the person entirely as well, just like that. So the person is not there anymore. Or I can add the person and I can also make that person an owner. So if I were to go around and then let's say, for example, I requested that out right here. So instead of just an editor, I can transfer the ownership. So if I were to transfer the ownership, all the privileges for sharing the link, for editing or anything else, the other person will have complete control over it. And the other person will be able to remove you as well from the editing privilege. So you can go around and make the person owner, and it says the new owner will be notified and could remove you as well. You might also lose the ability to change share settings, and some people will lose access to this item unless this item is shared directly to them, as you can see right here. So if you absolutely agree, then you can click on yes. And what happens is that it is shared out with the other user, as you can see right here. And now you are the editor and the other person is the owner. Of course, the other person will be able to transfer back the ownership to you, but it's completely theirs now. And that is how you can modify the share type and manage the share settings inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.